Back to Jarrett the Journeyman. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the stubborn wobbling ceiling fan. Let's get started. First thing you're going to need is a step ladder and some hand tools. Probably a screwdriver, maybe a nut driver. If you come up here to the top of the motor housing, you'll see some anchor screws. And what you need to do is take this screw and tighten it back up. If it's loose, which it should be if you're wobbling, tighten it up all the way. Run your jam nut up against there so it'll quit coming out, and then your wobbling should stop. So make sure you go through all your hardware here. If your fan assembly or your light assembly is loose, you're here. And around here are 3 screws holding your light assembly on. So go ahead and just run a screwdriver on all these screws and you will hopefully take the wobble out. Luckily this fan is not loose up here in the skirt that attaches to the ceiling, but if you feel like it's loose up there, you can take the screws of the skirt off. And inside there are 2 screws that are holding the box to the truss itself. If you want to take a look at that, how that's assembled, I have a video on how to replace a light box with a ceiling fan. And also please check out my how to clean a ceiling fan video. I'll be leaving links above for you. That's all I have for today. And as always, be safe out there.